Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix a Samsung dishwasher soap dispenser door latch, replace hinge spring and cover. Fix 1. Clear detergent gunk. Open the dishwasher door fully, scrub the latch mechanism and door edge with a old toothbrush dipped in a hot water. Dissolve any crusty soap built up or white hard water scale. Wipe the area completely, dry it with a cloth. Test the door to see if it is now click shut. Fix 2. Reset a slipped spring. Inspect the bottom hinge of the dispenser door for a small metal coil spring. Locate the two anchor holes, one on the door and one on the main housing. Use a needle nose puller to grab the spilled end of the spring. Hook the end back into the designated plastic slot. Flip the spring around if the door feels loose as it may be installed backward. Fix 3. Replace the dispenser assembly. You just have to disconnect the dishwasher power at the breaker and turn off the water supply. Remove the screws around the perimeters of the inner stainless steel door panel. Separate the outer front panel from the inner door panel carefully. Unplug the wire harness connector to a back of the old soap dispenser. Then you have to unscrew or unclip the metal bracket holding the dispenser in place. Push the old dispenser out through the front of the inner door. Insert the new dispenser assembly, ensuring the rubber gasket set it tightly. Reclip the brackets and plug the wire back in and reassemble the door panels. Thanks for watching.